Hey guys, Clay here from Aussie Shed Talk. On this episode, I'm going to introduce the new project and we might even have a look at the FJ in the background. So follow along. 59 FC standard station sedan. You can tell it's a standard because it doesn't have the chrome trim that runs down the door, across and out to the rear quarters. And she's pretty basic, has none of the chrome trim that goes around the windscreen that makes the Holden Special a special. So yeah, she's a standard. They're quite hard to find. Did not want another product, but I have one now. And yeah, just over the last couple of weeks, we've just started, pull the guards off, do a bit of inspection. We've brought a new bonnet because the other one over there is busted. She wants a muscle car, so we might as well do that. It's all original inside, and the roof is in pretty good nick considering the rust in the floor. Like, it's everywhere. Ridiculous. But anyways, I'm gonna get to work and start bracing up these. So I've got to put a brace in from the B pillar to this side, vice versa. Just brace the car up before I cut the sills out. I'm going to cut all the floor out. Whoops, dropped the camera. I'm going to pull all the floor out, replace all the floor. I'm going to put chassis kit in it. New sills, basically all new sheet metal. Pull through, make sure it's got nice strong bones before I go and spend money on the trans.
What is going on here? Big grey motors coming out.
It would be pretty cool with an LS.
More burnouts on Aussie Shed Talk.
In 50 years' time when I finish it.
Yeah, I thought this was meant to be Eb's car.
No, it is. She said, I want a car that sounds like Dan.
Oh.
So, because I knew I was going to go and spend more money. There you go. What am I for? What am I for?
Eb knows what's good for her. LS.
Yeah.
LS the world.
She said, I want a car that makes a lot of noise. And I said, okay. And then I said, we can either sell the FC or we can do it. And she said, go and find out what needs to be done to it. And as of yesterday, I realised there's a lot of things that need to be done to it.
An LS in the FJ.
No.
Hey.
No.
LS FJ.
No. Should have been gone, man.
You reckon viewers, LSCFJ?
Don't think viewers know. No, unless someone's going to sponsor me, it ain't happening. So super cheap.
Super cheap. Versus Repco.
Bloody Ben Rock, just someone fucking cool.
Cuba. Ray-Ban.
How are you used to fashion over here? You too, huh?
Here comes the essential worker. Mate, you're looking tired.
I got a joke for you. No, I don't.
Ah. I was excited then.
You know what?
Like. Open her up, mate. There's the rest of the car in the back.
I've got everything that I need. It's just trying to do it. You've just seen better days, you know. The whole floor's got to get cut.
Yeah.
You know.
Like most cars this age.
Yeah. Oh, they just need some tender loving care.
That's it.
Alright guys, we're just about done for the day. And what I've done today is I've completely fixed all the rust. Very common area for them to rust in the FC is in the headlight bucket area, the peak, and all of them. No, just needs a bit of a tidy up and then yeah, paint stripper. And we've also put the gap seat up on some 60 litre drums. So yeah, pretty stoked. At least I can now work on it off the ground. And yeah, it makes it a bit easier for us big blokes. Alright guys, that's enough for this video. Catch you in the next one. And there's Sneaky FJ. Alright, see you guys.